Hi, hello friends. Welcome to our Skill Courses channel. Today's topic are the more amazing topic in your day. So there are 100 plus products of Google. So all the products are convenient to use. But out of that, there are specific topic to be discussed today. That topic is Google News. What is Google News? Google News is a news aggregator services developed by Google. It presents a continuous flow of linked to articles and organized from thousands of publishers and magazines. Google News are available as an app of Android, iOS, and the web also. So, as a last of my knowledge and update in January 2022, Google News are the news aggregation services provided by Google. It compiles and headlines from articles from various news sources worldwide and organizing them based on preferences, location, interest. Users can access the Google News through the dedicated websites or mobile apps. The services use by algorithms and personalized news feeds for users' consideration for browsing history, selected topics, and other preferences. Google News aims to provide a comprehensive and diverse range of news articles while allowing users to discover content from different perspectives. It is important to note that the features or functionality of Google News may have to evolve and change since my last update in January 2022. For the last and most accurate information, please check the official Google News website or app also. So, the best our topic is how can you make money in Google News? So step 1, find a right articles. The first step is making money from Google News is to find the right article. You can also copy paste of the article also. Look for the article that have high number of views and engagements. These articles are more likely to generate traffic and earn you money also. Second, copy and paste the article. Once you have found right article, it's time to copy and paste it into your website or blog. Make sure to give a credit to the original source of the article by including a link and back to their websites. So third step is monetize your website. So how can you monetize your website? Now that you can article on your website, it's time to monetize it. You can do it by placing ads on your website by use of affiliate marketing. And the affiliate marketing is that when you promote the product or any kind of services on your website and you can earn the commissions and each of it made. So right now I will tell you about the 3 steps, and the last step we will discuss right now is 4. Drive traffic to your website. In order to make money from a Google News, you need to drive a traffic to your website. You can do it by promoting your website on social media or using search engines optimizations (SEOs) technique to improve the website and ranking on the Google. So, making money from Google is very simple and easy way to earn extra income online. For following these steps, you can earn up to 1000 day for free. So, what are you waiting for? Start today, post your article in Google News, and we go to our computer screen. So, guys, to create your Google News and post of this news to the internet, you have to click first of all in Google Chrome. Then I click on this mail ID. Okay, then you type here Google News and enter it. After that, you see this is the first site you see here, and then this you can copy this URL to here also, so that you can go immediately to that particular website also. Okay, so I will click here and you see there are lots of news. Okay, so I click here on India. Wait a minute. Okay, you see here, this is the news you see. ISRO shares how PLSU rocket and ExpoSat on satellite. This kind of news you see over here. Okay, world news also see here. You can see different kinds of news you see over here. Then local news are also there. Business related news are there. You see business related news. Then you see here it is a technology related news. Okay, then you see here it is a entertainment news. Okay, see here. Then it is a sports related news. Like this. These are all news you see here. Then it is a science news. Science and technology. Like this kind of news you see here. Then you see here it is a health news you see. It is our health news. Okay, see. So I will click on one news. Okay, so I will click here. Plant-based compound quiet for smoking. Okay, I will click here. Wait a minute. Look at it. Okay, this is our news are show over here. I will copy this news. Okay, I will copy it and here I will minimize it. I go to the Word document here. Okay, Word document. I will paste here. Okay. Then I will go to the review tab. Then I will go to translate here and translate document. Then I will send it. So look at here, our whole document get translated into my mother tongue language, and you can also copy this document and you can paste in your website also or your Google News also. There is no any option to post your news. Okay, so there is a one product of Google is that Google Publishers. Google Publisher. Okay, I will enter it here. Then you see here Google Publisher Center. Okay, you click on this link and you can also copy this URL and you can paste over here also, or you can type this URL in search button, search bar, and directly you can go to that Google Publisher Center. I will click here. Okay, look at it. You can get these two topics from here, and this is my profession. This is my what publication. Suppose if you don't add any kind of publication, you should have to add a publication also. So go to here, other publication, you can add it. I will type my URL. like this. I will give my name, publication name, my select your home country. Okay, you select your home country. Where in my home country is there? Wait a minute. Okay, yes, India. Okay, so primary language you have to select only in English only. If you want to change the language like Chinese, or you want to publish your news in various language, you can select this. But I want to select only English. You have to check and you have to add this publication. Okay, right now I will cancel it. Okay, then you go here, open. You should select to open, and you go to edit option. Then you should this is our category. Which kind of categories you can publish your news? Okay, so suppose I have any kind of news, science and technology, so I will select the science and technology. Okay, but right now I have health related topic selected, so we will take health and fitness topic here. So I will select this kind of category. So I want a country, or allow a specific country, so you can allow a specific country. Which kind of country you want to allow? Suppose I will include Bangladesh, then I will include Costa Rica, then I will Ethiopia, Finland, Germany, okay, France, Fiji, like this kind. Okay, you can Iceland, India, okay, like this kind of country you can publish your news on specific countries only. Okay, and if you want to block a specific country, suppose I will block one country, Angola, this. Okay, so you will block this specific country, but I will give a worldwide. Okay, I will click on worldwide option. Then next option, I will click on next option over here. Here we go to content settings, and you can selection new sections, and we go to web locations. Okay, I will give the title is that wait, how to lose your weight. Suppose this is my topic, and I will use http:// okay, this is my website. I will show it. When you add a content, your content also get published into my this URL also, and it also goes to my Google News also. Okay, so I will add it here, and this content get add. This is my topic is add over here, title add over here, and I will do the next option over here. You see there are certain issues found over here. That issue will solve the Google within the minimum of 48 hours, or it can be go up to 15 days also. Okay, after that you can escape your terms and conditions. Okay, please review our terms and services. So go to your review. You should add your name. Suppose my name is, okay, my contact name, like this kind of. You have to add a contact here as your owner. Okay, you have to add organization name. Suppose I will tell you. Okay, you have to check this, and you have to submit, or you have to submit it. Okay, here this is button. Okay, and then you can add a content here. When you add a content, you can copy and you will publish it. After publish this content, your content get live of your directly go live to your Google News, as well as you can see also this content in your website also. Okay, that's it. So like that you can create your own Google News and publish it also, and you can earn $400 to $500 monthly basis as a part time. So if you like my video, please subscribe, share it, and like my video for a more informative video. So thank you.